everyone, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So guys, in today's video I'll be just vlogging a day in my life vlog. So yeah, day in my life vlog, nothing much. Yeah, you see like what I am doing like throughout the day, guys. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Without wasting any time, let's get into it. Now I am about to clean the house, so done cleaning the house. I am done, so I am about to bath now. Yeah, so please don't go anywhere, stay tuned like ibala until the video iphela, please, and subscribe.
Rewind, I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you want me. Call me.
Right now I am going to do kunomoya today, yo. So as I was saying, Uti, I'm going to do lunch manje for me and my baby. Yeah, I will also show you my outfits. Yeah, so stay tuned.
Rewind, I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you want me. Call me.
guys, I'm done with everything. Now I'm on my way to see my boyfriend. Yeah, so don't go anywhere, stay tuned. I'm on my way. On my way. Yazi ukuthi uhlezi ukuthi umbrella kuyashisa guys. Oh, lama weather these days. What's uzothi hi to my vlog? What? Hi wena. Say hi to my vlog. So batshela ke nathi ukuthi subscribe na it was. Sabi phone. Aniza ngilinde wena was. So guys. Kuyashisa. Wozobudisa vlog yami. Wozobudisa vlog yami. Say hi to my vlog. Batshela ukuthi ma subscribe again.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Same thing. Oh, I need to close the umbrella. I wonder who's that. That's I wonder who's that. Most wanted.
I'm gonna activity.
Hello.
Hey guys, how you guys? Hope you're good. Thank God.
Watch out, subscribe.
Oh yes, guys. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. You know we're always ready for content, to giving you the best.
Yeah,
Okay.
boy.
Peace.
Siyimikelo ohleli nje manje ke. Yabo. Samlindile isaqede and then sizokhona ukudla. I hope guys you are enjoying this video because I'm trying my best to vlog everything. So yeah man. Stay tuned. Let me change the direction. Oh yeah. Njengoba bengishilo guys ukuthi kuyo yonke into odlula kuyo like talk to God. Like talk to God. uNkulunkulu khona. I don't wanna lie. And in whatever like you are doing, like have hope. Like as in, let me give you word of the day. Word of the day. Now it's this word of the day today. Word of the day. Word of the day ukuthi iba nethemba kuwo konke okwenzayo. Ungafisi kufana nomunye umuntu. Yamkela isimo kuso manje. Wena into ekumele uyenze ukuthi uzame by all means ukuthi uphumelele, uphile impilo engcono. I-word of the day yami nje le guys ukuthi uhlale ethembeni ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ithemba alibulali, ithemba alilahlwa. Because without ithemba there's nothing that you can achieve in life because of ukuze uachieve something ubile nethemba ukuthi like I will do it like kuzokwenzeka kuzofezeka. Speak positive words ngaso sonke isikhathi, like be positive ngaso sonke isikhathi and trust yourself. Hey. Oh, banika i-word of the day. Mina ngisebatshelile what's word of the day baba. Word of the day. Word of the day.
Okay, word of the day, ne? Take good encouragement from people, because someone will not just encourage you just for nothing, you know. Yeah, take good understanding and see the reason why they're encouraging you to do better. Yeah, well.
Tell me what is really bafethu. Word of the day.
Yep.
So ucacile?
Yes, I'm done.
Mna ngilambile manje.
Okay, all right. I
Ayisesodla.
think we're about to hit a break for now, so yeah.
Stay tuned.
Say, why,
Guys, we are
why people
eating
like
now,
Kenya
it's
were
eating
able to
now.
conquer the country? Like, what do you think happened? It was organization and technology.
So
So,
like
you know, when
mail, so
I mean, when the settlers arrived, and not the black settlers from the north, yeah, the white settlers from the sea, yeah, make a point. Yeah, we're all settlers. Yeah, they had ships, they had muskets, they had modern weaponry technology. They were well organized, and they had a structural organization.
On my way, ngendlini uyangikhapha manje. Okay, ilanga lakho belinjani today?
oh, my day was so fantastic today.
Yeah, guys, nilambe right, belimnandi futhi bengekho right, belimnandi. Yo guys, yazi ngimangele. Yazi uba nesikhathi manje? Kuyoshaya u6 ne?
Yeah, 22.
But la ngaphandle ngathi u4 o'clock. Guys, isama ingenile. Ingenile. That's why kushisa kanje. Ngiyacela. And the guys ukupholile yo.
Tell me why you're crying, oh can you be you? Why you gave me something I don't really feel? But you know that's already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come to my yard uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm hiding. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby.
Back. Ndibuyile endlini. I'm back now. My day. As in, I think Vulela, I will tell you about my day. Guys, I'm near a shop. I'm going to buy something. I hope you're still good, guys, because me, I'm good. I'm so good. Like today. We will talk when I come back from shop.
Higher, saying higher,
As my day today was amazing. Yeah, today it was like a good day. I don't know about you. Yeah, I mean I had a great day today. It's gonna straight guys. Yo. Yeah guys, I think this is the end of the video. I hope nithandile because ngisazoni